Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 6. I am Setu. I am the senior teacher of mathematics. Today I am going to discuss chapter 8, information and data. Yesterday already we have discussed, but today I will discuss it again to you. First, discussion on definitions. Statistics. The numerical presentation of information is called statistics. In here you are seeing example. You see we collect some data about Shumi and Rumi. Age and weight. Shumi's age is 12, weight is 51. Rumi's age is 11, weight is 48. That is the information about Rumi and Shumi, and the numerical presentation of their information is age and weight. After that, information and data. Any information based on numbers is a statistic. That means Shumi's and Rumi's information based on numbers, and the numbers used for information, and these numbers are used for Shumi's and Rumi's information. That is the data of statistics. And you know, data are of two kinds: primary data and secondary data. Primary data, the data collected directly from the source, is called primary data. That means if we collect Shumi's and Rumi's information directly from them, that is the primary data. And secondary data, the data collected from indirect source, is called secondary data. That means if we collect Shumi's and Rumi's information from their relatives or from others, that will be the secondary data. Discussion on definitions. Organized data. That means data also are of two kinds: organized data and unorganized data. Organized data is if the data are arranged in any order, ascending or descending, is called organized data. Unorganized data, if the data are not arranged in any order, ascending or descending, is called unorganized data. Mean or arithmetic mean. Mean is obtained from the sum of the collected data divided by the number of data. That means if we collect 10 persons data, different types of, then we will sum the total data, and total number of data divided by 10, we can find the mean. When you see the example, you will understand it better. After that, median. The median is the middle value in the list of numbers. Okay, suppose we have 5 data. We have the data of 5 numbers, and the middle number will be the median. Let n is the number of data. For finding median, at first we have to arrange the data in order. It can be ascending order or it can be descending order. It's up to you, no problem. But at first we have to arrange the data in order. Then we will count the data. If the data is odd number, like we have 5 number of data, that is odd, then we will use this formula. And if the data is 6 or any even number, then we will use this formula. Mode. Numbers which repeats maximum time in the data is called mode. Suppose in a data, if any number repeats more than once or more than any number, that number will be the mode. Okay, now I am going to show you on math from exercise 8. The math will be number 15. The secured marks in mathematics of 20 students of your class are In here you can see number A, are these organized data? Number B, if the data are unorganized, organize it. Arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Find the arithmetic mean. The solution will be, you can see the data, there is no order, so these are not organized data. So though it is not organized data, so we will organize it now in ascending or descending. It's your choice, you can organize it. But you can see we have to make the data order in ascending or descending also. So in ascending order we get, in descending order we get. Okay. Now number D, the arithmetic mean. We know the formula, the sum of the data divided by the number of data. In here we know there in here 20 number of data, so we will at first make the sum of that 20 number, and that would be 1300, and we will divide by 20 because the number of data were 20, and if we divide, the answer will be 65. So the arithmetic mean will be 65. Another math, find the median of the following data: 9, 12, 10, 6, 15, 8, 7, 14, 13. You can see in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 number of data. But you know, for finding median, at first we have to make the data in order. So the data is in ascending order: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 12, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. That means now the number of data are n equals to 9, which is odd. That means we will use this formula: median equals to n plus 1 divided by 2th term. So in here n equals to 9 plus 1 divided by 2th term, 9 plus 1, that means 10 divided by 2th term. If we divide 10 by 2, that will be 5th term. And you can see from the ascending order of data, 6 is first term, 7 is second term, 8 is third term, 9 is fourth term, and 10 will be the fifth term. So fifth term equals to 10 is our desired median. My dear students, we had discussed today different kinds of definitions of information and data, and we already solved 2 maths, and we will solve for HW these 2 maths again, number 15 and 17, and we will submit it when the school will open. So for today, goodbye, see you in the next class.